Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Amazon stock, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in Amazon stock, start by researching the company. Understand Amazon's business model and its growth trajectory. Review recent financial reports and earnings releases to assess profitability. Examine market trends and the overall health of the tech sector. Decide how much money you're willing to invest. Create a budget that allows for potential fluctuations in the stock price. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your needs. Consider factors such as fees, ease of use, and available resources. Sign up for an account by providing the required personal information. Verify your identity by submitting necessary documents. Fund your brokerage account with the amount you plan to invest. Select Amazon from the list of available stocks on your platform. Decide whether to purchase shares outright or use fractional shares. Review the current stock price and assess your investment strategy. Place an order for Amazon stock, choosing between a market or limit order. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance. Stay informed about news that could impact Amazon's stock price. Consider setting a target price for selling shares in the future. Evaluate your investment periodically to ensure it still aligns with your goals. Be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Diversify your portfolio over time to mitigate risk. Continue learning about investing to enhance your knowledge and skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.